The last kind of equation we're going to solve today is one that has distributive property on both sides of the equation as well as variables on both sides. So our first step in this equation for solving is to apply the distributive property on both sides. We need to get rid of both parentheses before we can do anything else. So we are going to distribute the 9 times both terms on the inside. Make sure to pay attention that this 4 is negative. This minus tells you that 4 is negative. So 9 times p is 9p. 9 times negative 4 is a negative 36. We now need to distribute on the right-hand side of the equation. We have negative 3 being distributed or multiplied to both terms on the inside of this parentheses. So we end up with 3 times 2 is 6p, and 3 times 6 is 18. Make sure, since both are positive, that you put the plus sign. Do not leave a weird gap. You have to have an operation. The next step is to get all numbers on one side and all variables or letters on the other. We are choosing to put all the letters on the left and all of the numbers on the right. Since I want to get rid of this 6p here on the right-hand side, it is positive, so the opposite of a positive would be a negative or subtracting, so that these would cancel out. Whatever you do on one side, you need to do to the other. 9 minus 6 is 3p. Then we bring down the rest of the equation. We had 3p, bring down your minus 36, and bring down your 18 on the right-hand side. Lock it in. We want to keep this 3p here on the left-hand side of the equation. That means we need to get rid of this minus 36. To do that, we use inverse operations. Negative 36 or minus 36, the opposite would be to add 36 so that they cancel. Whatever you do on one side, you must do to the other. 18 plus 36 is 54. Bring down the variable term on the left. 3p equals 54. The last step is to isolate the variable and solve. Since p is being multiplied by 3, the inverse is to divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 cancels out. We have p. 54 divided by 3 is 18. So our final answer is p equals 18.